Think about it.
My funny joke is, what do you call a fisherman that doesn't have a hat? A fisherman.
Welcome to Along for the Ride.
I'm Marissa.
And I'm Rachel.
And I'm Anna.
And we're here today inside of Castaway Bay.
At Castaway Play.
So what are all the things that we can do?
So we can do the escape room, we can do games right here.
Uh-huh.
We can do the arcade, we can do the swimming pool, we can do bowling, we can do the escape room, like it said, and we can do the mini golf.
So the bowling is $6 a person. Gordy's mini golf adventure is $8. And then if you want to do the Castaway Island escape room, it's $20 per person. And I'm gonna show you, this is the QR code if you want to go ahead and pause the video and screenshot that. You can look into booking the escape room. There are also packages. There's the splash package, which is $45. You get golf, bowling, and a VR, which I don't know if there is VR, so I don't really know what that's about yet. And then there's the family fun package, and then the stay and play. So we are going to kind of price it out, see what's the best deal for all of us. But this is pretty cool. This is in Gamers Grotto, and the Gamers Grotto arcade is also here, but that's over by the water park. So they have 4 lanes, and they're mini lanes. So this is mini bowling, and all of the bowling is done with these like little mini bowling balls. Super cute. I love it that it's themed, and it is $6 a person for a round of bowling, which actually is a pretty good price. And because it's mini bowling, you don't need to rent shoes or do anything like that. So you can just pop in, do a little round of bowling, and then you're on your way. So it's perfect for kids because it's very low stress. The balls are all really light, so it's kind of like a no fuss way of bowling. Good job. This is Anna's first time.
Nice job.
She hit all those pins. Good job. Whoa.
Hey, who's next?
Papa's next.
Find the ball.
No, it's Papa's turn.
Your turn.
Alright, let's see if she can get some points. She is currently our loser. Got a couple.
You got 58.
58 points.
So did I get a medal?
I'm gonna give you a gold star. Gold star. That worked. All right. So Anna, what did you choose?
I don't know. So there's this orange one, this one, this, and you can choose
That one? Okay. Alright, so we're going to swipe.
Choose a ball, grab a club, and have.
There it is. Okay.
Here at hole number 1, it features flow. And if you look up, I really love the detail they have. The plane with clouds, everything's glowing, and it continues to change color throughout your experience. I think it's really cool, the setup that they have. In the deep, thick wilderness, we are here on a safari, and I spot a Marissa. So this is a par 2, and Marissa is on like 11.
I'm good at this.
Yeah, uh-huh.
I am good at this.
Yep. She's also delusional, folks. She is so good at this. I've spotted the most rare animal of them all. It's an Anna. And Nailed it, and she still didn't get it. Nailed it.
Done with this hole.
Next up at hole number 5, this is a par 2. Anna did it.
Hole in one.
Yeah. Hole number 5. Let's see if Marissa can make it.
I lost my ball.
We are so good at this.
I'm gonna play pool now instead. Okay, we're gonna try this again.
Take 2. And take 3. And take 4. 5. I have no words.
That, don't give long. No, I'm gonna do it my own way. Thank you.
Clearly your mom's gonna do it her own way because she's really good at this. Anna got a hole in 1, but that's fine.
She cheated. I feel too much pressure. Everybody's watching.
Try with your left hand.
Because everybody's watching. Go away.
What? All right, you can really hear the jungle noises at this. Oh my goodness, Marissa, it's a dock. If you haven't watched our video on dockside versus surfside, where Marissa explains how much she has a love of docks,
I hate them.
make sure you watch that video. It's great. But this is one of Marissa's biggest fears.
I don't have to walk across it.
Whoa, she went through the rusty bucket, but nothing happened. It's been decided that hole number 7 is almost completely impossible.
Okay, I think we got it.
Yay, Anna, good job, babe. All right, we made it to hole number 9. Yay, good job, Anna.
It turned red.
Okay, so in recap, Marissa's golf skills are about as good as my bowling skills, which means they are terrible.
Okay, what did you think of mini golf?
Good.
Would you do it again?
Yeah.
Yeah? What was your favorite part? At the end when it takes your ball?
Yeah, when we get to put all the stuff.
We can put all the stuff away.
All right.
Let's see. I got 28 points. Anna got 27 points.
So
Anna won.
you won golf today, like fair and square.
28. You got 27. You're supposed to get less points, so you did good.
Good job, yay!
Okay, so that was really fun. I will say some of those holes were quite challenging for me. I had to definitely try a few times on some of those. It was a really good time. I loved the theming. It was fun with the music. We had a fantastic time. I would definitely recommend this.
We are gonna do our first arcade game located here in the play area.
Okay, which one do you
She
want?
wants to do a claw machine. All right.
Wait. Hold on.
Maybe I'll this.
She did it! And it fell off. All right.
One more try. We were so close last time.
Here we go.
Okay. All right, try it. We might have gotten it.
Oh! All right.
Swipe it.
Here we go.
Other way.
We are at the
Other side.
candy machine.
Yep.
This is a candy claw machine. We're gonna see how Anna does.
Okay, here we go. Wherever you want it.
Yay! She got candy!
Good job. She got a Smarties. Oh, there's one right here too. You got 2.
Yay! Good job, Anna.
So there's like a candy machine here. So and we can get candy. And there's like little, there's like candy. So we can like get candy, like these
Cool.
little candies. And so they have these candies and they have other candies. Look at here, and there's different candies for you and me too. And there's a bowl we can get. There's bowls we can get right here.
Do you know what an escape room is? What is an escape room? Can you tell us?
So an escape room, you like escape
Oh,
from that place.
okay. Now, what do we do to escape, you think?
So I don't really know, but this is what I can say. I was in the escape room. I wasn't an escape room, or it was an escape room. I'll say the same thing. I'd probably not like it. I do not know.
Okay.
I probably will go to a different city. I do not even know.
So if you had to escape, you'd probably go to a different city.
Yeah, or maybe I had to go. I don't know what store I'll be in, but I
Okay.
think it will be cool.
Yeah, for sure. I agree.
Sail for a relaxing weekend getaway on a small sailing boat with some close friends. You never imagined that you'd be faced with this. Making your way to a beautiful island, you are taken in the empty peace when a massive storm rolls in. It quickly engulfs your boat and pushes you onto the shore of the island. 1 hour to find a way to contact the Coast Guard and be rescued off the island before you and your group are lost to the quickly approaching waves. You must hurry.
We are in the escape room. I'm just gonna give you kind of a sneak peek as to what it looks like, but I'm not gonna give you any hints as to what we do. But the mission is super cool, and we are having so much fun. Just so everyone knows, we made it out. We did it. Now, I'm not gonna lie, we did have a couple hints. But that was so fun. So, what did we just do?
Yes.
The escape room?
Yeah.
What did you do?
Do you like it?
Was it fun or scary?
It was fun.
It was fun. Would you do it again? Yeah.
Did you love all the puzzles?
You got to help us so much. You did so
She
good.
did so good at the escape room. Thank you for all your help.
What did you like the most? The escape room, the mini golf, or the bowling?
The escape room.
The escape
Yeah.
room is worth it, right? Okay.
All right, so we just finished the escape room. What did you think?
It was challenging,
Yeah.
but I think it was fun, and I mean, we figured it out like just in the nick of time. We barely got it.
feel like
I think it was cool. I'm happy I did it.
If we had had an hour instead of a half hour, I think we would have definitely gotten it.
Definitely.
But the half hour, it was like a little too quick, so we had to get a couple hints. But it was so cool.
I
Once
know
we got
were, like, right on the
started,
verge of like getting it. We just needed a little help.
but it was so fun. And I think my favorite part here in the Castaway play.
Yeah, it was really fun. Definitely would recommend. I mean, really, all 3 of them were really fun. Had a great time spending time in Castaway Play today. And yeah, I mean, it's worth the money. I feel like definitely.
Oh, for sure. Yeah, definitely.
That wraps up our time at Castaway Play. We definitely would recommend it, especially if you have kids. It was a great time. Honestly, as adults too, we had a blast.
So fun.
Let us know in the comments what you think you would like the best: the bowling, the golf, the escape room,
The arcade.
the arcade. We loved it all. So let us know in the comments what you think, and don't forget to hit that like button.
Oh my goodness.
Somebody is super silly and tired now. We wore her out.
Yeah, we did.
So hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.
See you in our next one.
Bye.